Are you cruising for a special occasion? Is it your birthday? Is it your anniversary? Did you just get married? Whatever the case may be, if you are sailing for a special occasion, definitely let the cruise lines know. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, today is day 28, 28 more days to our next cruise. So today's cruise tip is going to be let the cruise lines know about any special occasion that is happening while you are on your cruise. So if it's going to be your birthday, if it's your anniversary, anything like that, when you book your cruise or they're on your cruise manager, you do have the option to enter a special occasion. Now, while this is not guaranteed, the cruise lines are not required to, it's not a mandatory thing, but a lot of times, if you're sailing for a special occasion, the cruise lines will do something extra or special for you. For an example, a lot of times we cruise on our birthdays, either my birthday or on Tiffany's birthday. So we'll go to the main dining room on the night of the special occasion, and we've had them bring us a birthday cake out there for a birthday. We usually get 50% off of spa coupons. You get I want to say it was 15% off of portraits done last time we were on the ship. So the cruise lines will usually do something special for you. Put some chocolate covered strawberries in your room. Something small, but still something extra to try to make your special occasion that much more special. So, cruise tip of the day. If you are sailing and have a special occasion on your sailing, definitely let the cruise lines know, because you never know what little extra the cruise lines will provide for you. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's quick cruise tip video. If you have, let's give it 2 thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.